A reliable source has confirmed that a case was indeed open at Borodo police station under docket number RRB 6756222. However, the case opened was not for rape, as widely reported on social media. The docket is for unwanted sexual touching, which is basically indecent assault. Sala pena mashoko kuda kutagwa panguva ino yemucrime watch pamusoro penhau yaUbit Angel yaitaugwa chisekuriti achinzi aiwa pane nhau dzake dzerepu dzakaripotewa. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipira muna mubla komchinzi. Reports said the woman who filed the complaint was accompanied by Prophet J. Israel, who has been in conflict with Prophet UBit Angel and allegedly attempting to extort him. Our source also said the Zeratherapy has been hesitant to arrest Prophet Angel after he reportedly supplied proof of the alleged extortion attempt. Zeratherapy also invited Prophet J. Israel and the complainant back to Borodale police station to give a second statement. However, they have not compiled. They reportedly keep saying they are out of town and will come later, but have not shown up. The woman in question is called Samantha M. There have also reportedly been attempts to get other women to lay charges against Prophet UBit Angel. To clear his name in the Samantha case, Prophet UBit Angel reportedly supplied Zeratherapy with CCTV footage from the day the woman claims the incident happened. The footage allegedly shows her arriving at the offices but never actually meeting Angel, who was in a meeting from the time she arrived until she left. This has reportedly been one of the reasons police have struggled to proceed with the case. Zeratherapy is also reportedly being pressured by Tungwarara to take the case forward, and on Wednesday night, he allegedly went to the station to increase the pressure. Tungwarara and Angel have reportedly not been seeing eye to eye since that prophecy. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ino muri Zimbabwe. Pinakomesa kuchemedza funguro imo tudeva pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chatomba bell icon.